people for recording. What did we do? We missed recording, we know. So we did type A. This is one of the things we did. This is for recording purposes, I'm telling you, because we have done more than 1 hour of class, but we missed a recording. So what we did, that if in case further you want to see, you can see it here. So first thing was this particular one, limit. You can pause this screen and you can see the recording. Nothing great is there in this. Okay. Then we have used this particular equation to solve it. You can pause this and see how we can get it, because limits is one of the easiest one. Then the standard limits we have used. Correct. These are the standard limits formulas. Just substitute them and see whether you can solve these problems. Correct. We have solved 3 problems here, and then we have got these as a homework. Okay. So you have to do this as a homework assignments. Then we have seen what is L Hospitals rule. Okay. In the recording, if you cannot see students, just pause it and write it. Okay. Fine. This is done. L Hospitals rule. Keep in mind, L Hospitals can be applied only when it is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Okay. Fine. Next one. We have used GATE 2007, where L Hospitals works very nicely. Okay. And you get 1 by 6. You have to apply L Hospitals 3 times. Next, we have seen this question where L Hospitals does not work, because at the end, first time it works. Second, third time when you go, you don't get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, because when you say cos 0, cos infinity can be anything, depends on what multiples of pi by 2 it is it not? So we cannot say anything about infinity. Correct. So we cannot for sure make it 0 by 0. Correct. So what happens? We have to use this method where x minus sine x, x plus sine cos x. We are taking x outside, cancelling it out, and we are using the method which we have said in the 5th one, right? Where we have it here. Yes, this form. So okay, limit theta tends to infinity, sine theta by theta is equal to 0. Correct. That we are using, and then we are getting the answers. Correct. Similarly, cos theta by theta is also equal to 0. Correct. So that we are applying and we are getting the answers. Yes. So that is make sense. Okay. Have you written this down, students? We will solve another problem. Next problem is like this. Okay. The question is, this has come in GATE 2008 again. Okay. The question is like this. Limit x tending to 8, sorry, not infinity, x tending to 8, okay, x tending to 8, x raised to 1 by 3 minus 2 divided by x minus 8. Then we solve this. The answers are A, 1 by 16, B, we can have 1 by 12, C, we can have 1 by 8, D, we have 1 by 4. Just try L Hospitals. If L Hospitals does not work, then go for other methods. Okay. This is 1 mark question. Does L Hospitals rule work, student, here? 0 by 0 comes, is it not? L Hospitals has to work.
Sir, 1 by 12.
1 by 12. Very good. Easy 1 mark question. Done. Everybody has got this. L Hospitals work nicely, and then we are happy. Let's solve another problem, student. This has come in GATE 2010. The question is like this. Limit x tending to 0, sine of 2 by 3x, sine of 2 by 3x divided by x is A, 2 by 3, B, 1, C, 3 by 2, D, infinity. Within a minute, you have to send the answer, students, for this. So easy
3 point.
question. Come on. Ashutosh, you are rushing into the answers. You are creating a blunder by rushing into the answers. This one thing you have to correct. There's no hurry. There is no hurry.
By 3.
Huh?
2 by 3.
2 by
2 by
3. Very
3.
correct. Ashutosh got the answer?
Yes, sir.
2 by 3.
How is it 2 by 3?
Huh?
If you multiply by 2 by 3 in the denominator,
Ah.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. This is my problem also. Ashutosh is becoming like me. Okay. So don't become like me, students, where you do a lot of simple mistakes. Okay, don't do that. Okay. If even after knowing the answers you make a mistake, that should not happen. Okay. Should not rush. Okay. N tending to infinity. 1 minus 1 by n raised to 2n is how much? A 0 b e power minus 2 c. We have done similar problem, is it not? 1 by 2 d. You cannot use L hospitals here, is it not? Now tell me what is the answer. That's why I say all these things are important. All the identities are important. It may be coming for 1 mark or 2 marks, students. This is for 1 mark again. Okay. But that 1 mark creates so much of difference in ranks, keep in mind.
Sir, e power minus 2.
E power minus 2. Very good. That is the right answer. Simple. See, now we are making a progress, is it not? See, you are solving 8 problems within a minute. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. Others have solved this. Only thing is that those things has to be remembered again and again. So what you have to do, you have to close your eyes, go from first. One is what is limits. Okay. What is right hand limit? What is left hand limit? Next come with substitution. Next with substitution does not work. Then what is the next one? Factorize. Factorize does not work. Cut to a common denominator. That should go in your mind. Okay. The same thing what we have gone. The same thing. You don't have to do anything else. Same thing. Okay. So you have written by your own hand. Calculus. What is the purpose? What is limits? Right hand limit, left hand limit. What examples did we take? Okay. Then first one, try substitution. Second one, factorize. Third one, cut it off. Fourth one, rationalize. Fifth one, sin x by x. Okay. Then sixth one is equations, polynomials. Okay. Seventh one is modulus function. Type 8 is x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a raised to x minus a. That. Okay. If that not doesn't work, then standard limits. All the standard limits should come into your mind. You should not confuse 0 with infinity. Very important. You have to say where infinity is there and where 0 is there. It should be very clear to you. Okay. Then next, sum of the problem. Then L hospitals. Done. Limits is done. Make sense? Okay. If you go by this, yeah.
So there is formula for 1 plus 1 by n, right?
1 plus 1 by n, there is a formula. 1 minus 1 by n, there is no formula, is it? So why
Yes,
can't we
sir.
have minus n inside this? N is
Okay,
just
then what will happen to E, sir?
E will
Then
have
I
to
can
be.
get. Okay.
Okay, let us do that. Okay. So what we can write this here as, observe, we can write this. See, what is the equation here? The equation here is 1 plus 1 by n raised to n is 1 plus x by n. You can write x by n raised to n is equal to e power x, is it not? So let us see that.
Yes, sir.
That we can write, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
Yes, that's it. Simple. Everything is there. You need practice. I don't agree. Okay. What we will do is I will put a page of anywhere. You can get the limits from anywhere. Okay. And you can try solving it. Okay. I will give you some what to say, photographs of some unsolved problems. Okay. So you can solve it. Okay. Another point. Okay. If this is done, next one second. Just a second, students. Where is the next problem? This is how gate preparation happens, nothing else. There is no need of any panic. Step by step, you do it, you get it. Okay. Let us solve this. This has come in 2012 gate. Again 1 mark. Generally 1 mark only comes. Sometimes 2 marks comes. Okay. So limit x tending to 0. 1 minus cos x divided by x square is a 1 by 4, b 1 by 2, c 1, d 2. Tell me the answer. See whether we can use L'Hospital's rule. First, check out L'Hospital's rule. If L'Hospital's does not work, then go with that particular rule, one by one.
Half 1 by
Answer is
1 by 2.
very good, Ashutosh. Good. Simple, correct. So similar way, we will solve all the problems, okay, which is there in gate. Okay, I will give you some. I'll make that this one and I'll give you. Okay, so you can solve these problems as much as possible. Okay. Yeah, I will give from Bosco's only. Okay. It's only practice that is important. Doing same problems again and again. Okay. I will take the photograph and I'll give you. So solve all. Unsolved problem we have to solve. Okay. The answers for that I think is not given. But you can solve it. Answers are not given, but still. Answers are given. Okay, fine. But you can get some things there. Okay, fine. Some 4 problems I've given you to solve. Please solve it. Okay, then let us go with some more problems. Okay, or you can go to previous year's gate and see where limits has come. See whether you can solve. Not just in mechanical. See in that this one I have downloaded all the all the old question papers. You see, it is not just with the our see here in this where we here sit now. So here in the drive you see you have old question papers also. Old question papers. See every question papers I've solved. Aerospace. You have see it's old question papers. Civil, electronics, material science, mechanical, production, see everything. This our we have this mathematics can be from any places. Limits can be there from anywhere. Okay, you will be able to solve. Okay, if you're not able to solve, tell me, sir, this has appeared in this paper. I'm not able to solve. I will solve it. Okay, thank you, students. So we will stop the class now. Okay, any doubts you have? We'll stop the class.